Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can tillage your fields in Farming Simulator 25. So first of all, what you'll need to do is to buy some equipment if you don't have any. So you will need to buy some, you will need to buy some power harrows or just other equipment like cultivator or plow, and you'll find those at the shop. As you can see, if you select hotspots, you'll need to select and find the shop right here. So you'll find the tillage equipment, and right here you'll need to have tractor equipped with that equipment. And if you go to the field, you will need to click on V, as you can see, lower cultivator, and you'll just need to ride. And as you can see, it is tilling now. So that's pretty much it. That's how you till your fields in Farming Simulator 25. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.